All right, welcome to Piano for Singer-Songwriters 2. So I just want to give you a brief introduction of the course, tell you why I made it, and then go into how the course is going to progress and how you can get the most out of this course. So basically, I created this course because in music, in pop and rock, in folk, and a lot of other genres, you have music that's eighth note subdivided, meaning that the underlying rhythm of the music is eighth notes versus 16th notes. And within eighth notes, there are different rhythms that singer-songwriters play, and there's a lot of rhythms and a certain feel that you have to understand as a singer-songwriter. However, to gain this feel, the fastest way to gain that feel is just to play a bunch and just a ton of different eighth note rhythms. So you play a ton of different rhythms, and then from there you gain eighth note feel, and you can actually start to create your own rhythms and your own sort of unique accompaniments to yourself while you're singing. So that's the point of this course, is to get you to immerse yourself in eighth note rhythms. So it's sort of an immersion course. How the course is laid out is I'm going to explain eighth note subdivision, eighth note straight and eighth note swing, and then from there it's just going to go through a bunch of different rhythm patterns that you can immerse yourself in and really practice and get down until you really have it in your system. And by the end of the course, you'll have gained this eighth note feel, which you can then use to play and perform out when you're performing songs, or you can use to write your own songs with that feel. So welcome to the course again. I thank you so much for taking it, and I will see you on the inside.